Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. And as you can see, we're back at Heritage Park, but I want to talk to you about the renovation plans that were approved with modifications to it on our special council meeting on March 18th. The modified plans include renovating the bathroom facilities, which I'll show you in a minute, removing 2 trees that need to come out for that renovation, and 2 trees that are dying and in need of removal regardless. There's 3 additional trees that are going to need to have some trimming done for safety concerns. This is the part of the renovation I was telling you about with the restrooms and the concession stand and some storage. It's actually going to go on the opposite side of this wall right here, all the way over to probably where the gravel starts. And as you can see, we had to remove one of the smaller trees for that, and we'll be replacing that tree. This back ash right here, it will have to come down because of some of the disease and the power line issues with Idaho Power. But as you can see, the front ash will actually have just some trimming going on just above the roof line, so we don't have any of those branches that will get in the way. We've made some slight modifications to Heritage Park, but remember, this is the hub of downtown. This is your park. We want to make sure that you're aware every step of the way what's going on with this. I want you to have a safe week, and we'll see you next time.